a long, long, long while since I never baked anything. So now we're baking a banana cake.
Yay!
This is the recipe.
Awesome!
So I'm going to tell you the ingredients of what you need.
Woohoo!
3 bananas, 1 stick of butter, 2 eggs. You could have light brown sugar or dark brown sugar and mix like dark brown sugar and white brown sugar and light sugar into like light brown sugar if you want.
Okay.
So, light brown sugar and a half cup of milk,
Yeah!
1 teaspoon of vanilla. I love
Yum, yum, yum,
vanilla
yum, yum.
so much. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. I love cinnamon so much. 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 2 whole cups of flour. And we have these, a bowl. So what things we're gonna need is a spoon, a fork, and these 2 right here. So we have a half cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. So first we're gonna do the milk because that's the most important one. Look like coffee.
Wow!
Right? Okay. So now what we're gonna do next is the 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Looks so brown. And the third is the 1 teaspoon of salt. It's just a little bit, isn't it? So now what we're gonna do last is the 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. I love cinnamon so much. You will not understand how much I love it. Once you mix it all together, we'll go to the third part. Okay, so now we're gonna bake the banana cake. So, starting with the 3 bananas, we are gonna mash it with the fork. And you have to mash it good, okay?
Okay.
Just to let you know. Once you're done, you're gonna put down the fork and put some in the bowl to help you make it easier. Okay, so once you put it in there, you are gonna put the 1 stick of butter. Wow, so satisfying. And then we're gonna have 2 eggs, and then we're gonna break them like 1, 2, 3, and then put it in here.
Nice job.
Last one. Oh! That was good. And then we're gonna put the dark brown or light brown sugar. So, once you're done putting all these baking soda. So, first we are going to pour this flour on here because you know when you're putting flour in like a recipe or something, it will have like these big rock things. And we don't want that in our, like, you know, recipe. So grab this tool. So this will help you not get anything, any rocks in your recipe. And hold it right, guys, because look, you have to have one hand here and then you do this. And if it has like any little rocks anywhere, you could put it in like a bowl. Okay, so we are done with that. Now we are gonna put the baking powder. And guys, this time we're not using this mixing. We are doing this one. That's okay. We can clean up, guys. And make sure to get all those edges to get in the recipe. Okay, so when you're done, it should look like this. And if you want to mix it a little bit more, that's okay, because it has to be good, to be honest. And then we're gonna put this over here. So guys, since we're now done, we have a new part coming. Part 4. And now we're gonna pour it in here. And remember to ask your parents to put this in the oven because, yeah, it will burn. So now I have to tell you the minutes and degrees. So as you see, on my oven, it says it has to be 350 degrees. And then the minutes, it has to be 45 or 50 minutes. Now stay safe and don't forget to ask your parents to do this. And after that, we're gonna clean up. So remember to subscribe to my channel. Don't know and you're new? So let me tell you the instructions. There's only like 4 steps. Step 1, go to YouTube. Step 2, search Heavenly Star. You have to search for my video because there's like a lot of Heavenly Star videos that is not in my channel. So when you see my video that has my face on it, then you could click on the circle where it has my channel or click the video. And then when you watch the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you never subscribe to my channel, you can subscribe.